So this is the experiment number 7, and we are implementing the code in the experiment number 7 of the moisture sensor, soil moisture sensor. So here we have used A0. You can use A1, A2, A3, and any pin you can use here of analog pin. Next, you need to define the serial port over here, and then the void loop is there. Void loop is the loop where the things continuously happens. So float moisture underscore percentage happens when so here you find that you, because it is in points, so you need to declare the character type by float. So we need to create the moisture sensor and in terms of percentage. So already I have discussed in the lecture that how these things will be happen, and the sensor pin will be read over here. Analog read is the command, is the function where if we find any pin and if we write any pin, then the return value will be considered as the analog of that value. Then sensor analog value is there. So here is the formula by which we are converting this into the percentage. It is a moisture percentage formula, and next this moisture percentage, this is in string form, so I have put it in the inverted commas, and this is a value, so I have not put it in the value in the inverted commas, and you can be find it easily here. So next is the 1000. It is a delay, and this shows that 1000 millisecond means it is equivalent to the 1 second. So next we will go to the tools. We will go to the Arduino board. We will select the board using this Arduino Uno, and here all the boards are there. Whatever you are using, you can use it over here. So I am using Arduino Nano in spite of Arduino Uno. Both are the same boards, just there is a difference in the form factor. So I have used it. Next, after when it is selected, some delay is there. Next, we need to take the bootloader, that which bootloader you need to select it. Sometimes there are some old bootloader is also there, so we need to select this bootloader. Sometimes it is new bootloader, so it is okay with 80 mega 328p. Select the COM port, and then after selection of the COM port, you can go through the you are ready to code your to provide the data in the to burn the code in the Arduino Nano. So you can verify it, you can upload this code. So by means of this verify, that just to check that whether all the things are corrected in terms of the syntax and all. Now you can upload this data on the Arduino Nano. Now you can find the COM port, that what COM port shares. So it is 4.89%, because it is not I have not put it in any soil, so it is 4.89. It may be 0 if it is completely dried, and this is just showing the value of the environmental moisture. So it is a 4.7% right now. Now I am putting it in the you can say soil, wet soil. So in the wet soil, let's see what's happened. So now it is increasing. Yes, it is increasing. So I am increasing the value of the water content. So now it is providing us more value with the moisture content. So I am putting it out. I am turning my sensor out of this, and now let's see what's happened. Again, when it is dried, then the value of the moisture sensor is 4.79%. So that's how the moisture sensor works. Basically, the arrangement of the circuit is as I have already shown you in the diagram. So if you have any kind of problem, if you have any kind of issue with this type of experiment, you can call me and you can contact me. And the students, you need to write the things in the write up and send me the write up through the emails, or you can send me through the Moodle. So thank you for this experiment. We will in our next experiment we will talk about another experiments also. Thank you.